Inshallah, inshallah. America! America, please! Please, I beg you, don't take American troops from Iraq! Look at me! Look at me! I am crying! I am crying! Crying without tears, America! Don't take American troops away from Iraq! We need them to protect us! We love the American troops! They are beautiful! They are handsome, hairy, and hot! We want to get married! Like they do in California! No more burqa! Everybody is out of closet! It's party, party, party! And dance, dance, dance! Oh, America! Don't take American troops from Iraq! I beg you, I beg you, I beg you! Please, baby. Please, please. Oh, sorry. You're sorry?
Without you.
Okay.
Without you.
Oh, yeah? You know what? Then you put burqa on. And go into kitchen. And heat me up some camel milk or goat milk. Or whatever other animal you can find in kitchen. And you make me hummus. Ah! Arab man. Oh! Do you know what I'm going to do for you? I'm going to call all of my Hollywood friends. And I'm going to have them vote for you. Do you know why? Because you are the man. You are the man! And Obama, baby, you are going to vote for you know who. In America!
Oh, Obama, baby. You should try burqa on ugly American women. Yes, promise. Promise, 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 promise. Obama, baby, you are one of us. Oh. Women in the kitchen and men in the living room watching TV. I love you, baby. I love you, Obama, baby. I love this Obama guy. Beautiful.
Right. For president.